Listen well, say you no get today, no mean say you go give up. Take your time, stay strong, your own time go reach. As 2025 comes to end, remember, do not carry yesterday's mistakes into tomorrow. Learn, rest, and plan your steps carefully.
You've decided you won't gift me this festive period. You've got super glue hands now, eh?
But who needs gifts when you get all this attention?
Emeka, you didn't.
I did. Oh, see, the best gift is my company.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we commence, I want to specially thank every one of my subscribers. I know I've been away for a while, and it truly wasn't intentional. I appreciate your patience, your support, your love, and your encouragement. It means a lot to me. I also want to take this moment to wish you all a Merry Christmas celebration and a prosperous New Year in advance. Thank you for sticking with me. Now, have you been trying to get a consistent voice using Grok AI and you just don't know how to go about it? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to achieve a consistent AI voice. Let's dive right in. This is what I typed in ChatGPT. I said I need a scene of an old Igbo man, a Nigerian man, wishing his audience a happy new year and giving an advice with a dialogue and a voiceover style instruction. All right. Firstly, I emphasize on the kind of character that I want. You can either use a Yoruba man, an Igbo man, a Hausa man, or an American man, or whatever character you want. So I was precise and I told ChatGPT I want an Igbo man. Okay, you have to be precise on what you want. And also, I also said I need a scene of an old man. You have to be precise, whether it's a young man, an old man, whatever age description you have in mind, you can give it to ChatGPT. Okay, so now this is the result it gave me. It gave me the setting and the character. All right, now, and it's also gave me dialogue just as I instructed it. This is the dialogue it gave me. And also, this is the voiceover style instruction. This is the voiceover style instruction: calm, deep, wise, and reassuring tone. Okay. All right. I also included that I need a two dialogue. I included I need a two dialogue, which it actually added more dialogue to it, as you can see. These are the dialogues, dialogue 1 and dialogue 2. Okay. And that is it. So let's go and try this out and see how it goes. Now, firstly, what I'm going to do is to highlight all this. I highlighted it. What I'm going to do is to copy it. This is the opening shot. Now, I'm going to highlight the voiceover and the dialogue. This is dialogue 1. Okay. I'm going to copy it now. All right, so I'm in Grok AI. Move over to Grok AI. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Imagen. When you go to Imagen, you can now upload your image of your choice, your preferred image. All right, I'm going to upload my image, and I'm going to paste the prompt here. I'm going to press the prompt here, and I'm going to add the background sound should be heard, and hit generate. So let's wait for the result.
As 2025 comes to end, remember, do not carry yesterday's mistakes into tomorrow. Learn, rest, and plan your steps carefully.
Next thing I'm going to do is to go back again, and the second dialogue, we're going to highlight it. Highlight it. Now I'm not going to touch the voiceover instruction. All you need to do is to highlight the dialogue and press it here. You highlight the dialogue and paste it. Okay. So I'm gonna hit generate now. So let's see if the result is going to remain the same. Let's see.
Life moves at its own pace. Your time will come. Be patient, stay focused, and cherish every small victory along the way.
Okay. If you listen to this very well, you understand that the voiceover was the same. Okay. The voiceover was the same. The voices was the same. It didn't change. So in order to maintain a consistent character, you have to use this. You have to use this method, all right? We are generating your adding a voiceover style instruction to your videos in order, if you don't follow this procedure, most times your characters might be sounding British or any other accent aside the one you want. Okay, so we are moving over to ChatGPT. I'm here in ChatGPT. I went ahead to test something else. So I told ChatGPT I want an image description of two friends discussing, a young handsome man and a beautiful lady. It should include a dialogue and voice over style instruction. They are Nigerians. Okay, so I actually specified the country I want them to come from. Okay, and I included male and female. So right away, I also included what I want them to talk about. This is what I want them to talk about. Okay, so you can as well include that in your own dialogue. Now, this is the result. This is the first scene 1, and this is the scene 2. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to copy all of this and paste it in my notepad. Now, I'm done. Now, I've pasted it in my dialogue. If you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need it. Go ahead and copy the first dialogue. All right, so this is the first dialogue. I'll go ahead and copy the first dialogue. This is the dialogue, the girl's dialogue, and that of the guy's dialogue. All right, and the voice over style. Okay, style instruction. So I'm going to copy it. This is for. I'll go ahead and copy the dialogue. Okay, now this is the dialogue. All right, then I'll move over to my browser. Now I'm moving over to Imagen. Then I'm going to upload my image, the image that I want. All right, so I'm going to select this one. Now, this is the image. I'm going to paste it and add this action, no background sound. Okay, so I'm going to hit generate.
You've decided you won't gift me this festive period. You've got super glue hands now, eh?
But who needs gifts when you get all this attention?
All right, so as you can see, their gestures, the lady, she places her hand on her waist like someone that is angry, and the young man, his hand in his pocket. So these are the gestures that are included. So whatever reaction you want your character to do, you can as well add it up. Okay, as you can see, they were talking smoothly. So I'm going to hit here and download, and I'm going to try another dialogue with the same style instruction. Okay, I'm going to try another voiceover style instruction. So I'm going to download this. Then I'm moving over here, and I'm going to, this is for scene 2. So this is for the scene 2. So I'm as well going to copy this. Okay, I'm going to paste the prompts here. Okay, I'm going to paste it here. So there is this. So after whatever thing you're doing, so please check it out if there is any mistake. So after that, I'm going to hit generate. Our video is ready. Let's see.
Emeka, you didn't.
I did. Oh, see, the best gift is my company.
Can you see that this is beautiful? So I'm going to click here and download. You can see this in whatever thing you're creating. Use this method. Believe me, you're going to get an amazing result. Okay, so use the same voiceover style instruction for the man and the woman. Whatever thing you're creating, you have to, if you want a consistent voice over, you have to use this strategy and achieve your. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's another AI tutorial you'd love me to cover next. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you now understand how to create and maintain a consistent voice using Grok AI. Thank you once again for your continuous support, love, and encouragement. It truly keeps me going. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Until next time, I wish you a wonderful Christmas season and a prosperous new year ahead. See you in the next video.